activities absolutely prepare our scholars for the future, simply because it shows them the interconnectedness of those core content areas along with those extra elective courses. So the students are better able to explain how the science, the math, the technology, and the engineering works all together in order for them to solve all of the real world problems. STEM also provides exposure to our scholars because it allows them to see all of the many career paths that exist in the world that they may not have known about. It also allows them the opportunity to work collaboratively, to think critically. It helps them to make sure that they can make sense of the world around them.
These STEM activities help students to start thinking. It gives them a chance to fail, to try it again, to go back and plan, adjust. It just teaches them that there's not always one way to do things, and that sometimes it takes different steps or different trials to get to the goal that we're trying to reach.
My favorite thing about STEM is that it's the creativity, putting your mind to something and having to work and break down a problem.
My favorite thing about STEM in my school is being interactive and building stuff. I feel like that's really fun.
If I were to build or invent anything, maybe a spaceship. I want to see one. I want to make one.
The main thing I will build, I would like to advance the pacemaker. I would like to further advance it due to my grandma having problems with her pacemaker throughout the years.
One thing that I learned this semester that is new is volume. You get to multiply the length times width times height to get how much is inside a rectangular prism.
One thing I learned this semester is physical and chemical change and volume.
This is a 3D printer. How this works is we use Tinkerpad to make the image, and then this prints it out for us.
Well, I feel the future is here right now and steady coming, and STEM activities is a real look into 21st century learning. You know, our students have to immerse themselves in science, technology, engineering, and math every day, as well as most adults doing their jobs, going to the doctor. Everything today involves what STEM is. So it's important that we are preparing our students for their future, for their careers, and for their everyday life at where we're at now in 2025.